My dad is a professional photographer in Japan, so I grown up with the cameras. They have like rich culture, especially the fashion. It's a very colorful, rich culture, and I was fascinated by those African fashion. So I started working with local models, makeup artists, designers. My photo was featured by a couple of different medias in different countries, Europe, US, different countries in Africa. So I'm here right now in SISB. I teach grade 9, 10, IGCSE, ICT, starting from basics of computer, how computer works, like what are the hardware, what are the software, and also from basic level to the high level will be to teach how to build a website with HTML, some like programming, and students learn coding from block coding to the other high level language, the Python, which is the most popular language over here. In a photography lesson, I teach them how to shoot by looking at the lights and the directions and perspective and those little tricks. So, but a lot of people don't realize that photography is something you work with other people. A lot of the time, students work with a project. It's more like problem solving. Why do we have to do this? Plan 0 to 10. That builds a good communication skills among the students, and then definitely they put a lot of creative thinking skill to make the work better. So I started teaching from Japan, and then also I was in New York City about 10 years. My passion is just not only delivering the contents. I can, share my international experiences with students. So I would like to teach students as a teacher, but also I would like to teach as a world citizen. Each lesson, I see huge improvement, the kids are happy, and the kids get more creative. That's really amazing to me.
More than an educator, more than a school.